If you think that your computer has lot of junks, lot of unwanted files, this tutorial will help you how to find unwanted files in Windows 11. And the best part of this tutorial is are not using any third party software, and it will very easy process. Even in non techie can follow all these steps, and you will get the great certification after cleaning up all unwanted files in Windows 11 as well as 10 computer. So let's begin with that. The performance of your computer will be way better than earlier. It will load faster. So let's get started. So for that, press window key and R key together, RS and Romeo, and you will get this run window. And here need to type prefect. Once type prefect, hit OK, and it will ask for a permission. You just need click on continue. Just select any of the file, press Ctrl, and it will select all file, and you just need to press hit shift and delete key on keyboard. So why we are pressing shift and delete? Just to permanently delete these junks and this cache from your computer. So once you select that, click on yes, and we will able to delete this. Once this is done, again we are will press Windows R key together, and this time we'll type temp, temp, and we just need to click on OK. It will open a new window. Now this is very clean computer. It doesn't have too much junk created by system, but still I have some else. Select any of the file, press Ctrl A, and the same thing, shift delete, and gone. The temp folder is used by many applications. They live left forever junk there. You need to remove it thus. So once this is done, press again the Windows R, and this time we will type percentage temp percentage. Once you type, hit OK. This is another location where have a lot of encrypted junk which are there all. Thus files are not created by you. This is absolutely not required, and it will remove it. We can delete. It's absolutely safe. So select any of the file, press Ctrl A, then shift delete. So slowly, gradually, we are removing all the junk of making your computer faster. So some of this file may not get deleted. So that is absolutely fine. You can leave it. It just select do all these four current item and skip it. So for few files, few folders will not delete because those files are being used by some programs. So that is fine. You can leave it. Once this is done, the last step which is need to is for press Windows and R, and this is time as we'll type clean mgr. It's clean mgr. And guys, if you have not subscribed my channel and hit like button for this video, I will really appreciate if you smash that like and subscribe button for me, please. Thank you. So once you have type clean mgr, hit OK, and it will select. This will open up this cleanup driver selection. So by default C drive is selected where the operating system is installed. So I'll just select that, click on OK. And once we are in this window, select all the check marks, recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, delivery, optimization files, temporary internet files. Please make sure you have do the check mark on all, then hit OK. So in this manner you will able to wipe out all junks and your computer will be cleaner. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.